With Christmas just days away, COVID cases are spiking. President Biden will address the nation tomorrow about how the administration will respond to the spread of the Omicron variant as institutions and businesses are forced to make changes. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest from Capitol Hill. Alice.
Dave, President Biden is set to unveil new steps the administration will be taking to help communities get through this anticipated wave of cases as the Omicron variant spreads. And the administration says it is prepared for rising case levels that have even hit Capitol Hill, with some fully vaccinated lawmakers now testing positive. As climbing COVID cases collide with Christmas gatherings this week, President Biden is preparing to meet with his medical advisors today and address the nation tomorrow about a new phase in the pandemic, one where the Delta variant is surging, just as the even more contagious Omicron strain begins to take hold.
Our hospitals, if things look like they're looking now in the next week or two, are going to be very stressed with people.
High-profile breakthrough infections now showing how freely the virus is circulating. Senators Elizabeth Warren and Cory Booker and Representative Jason Crow all testing positive, despite being fully vaccinated and boosted. All three say their symptoms are mild as health officials stress the vaccines are still doing their job, preventing severe illness and death.
If you've gotten sick after vaccination, the chances are you're going to have a pretty mild case. You'll have the sniffles maybe, or sick for a day or two with a fever, but you won't be in the ICU.
Across the country, long lines for testing and a shortage of at-home tests as Americans scramble for options before family get-togethers.
I have a nephew and niece that I'm going to be going to see, so I just would like to not give them COVID.
As Omicron sweeps the globe, here in the U.S., pro sports leagues are delaying games, and several schools and universities are shifting back to remote learning. Health officials are advising testing before family gatherings, and amid the surge in demand, the White House says that it's already quadrupled the supply of at-home tests, while also authorizing a dozen new rapid tests to come to market. The administration is promising to work with states to send more supplies and to increase capacity even more at free testing sites. Dave, back to you.
Alice, do we have any more details on what we're expecting to hear from President Biden tomorrow?
So we know he's going to lay out these steps that are going to be helping individual communities. And the White House has said this is going to go further than the announcements he made just last week about steps going into the winter to tighten some restrictions. So really expect, a tightening potentially in rules here and there. And certainly the message should just be drilled in again and again about how important it is to be getting vaccinated, to be getting booster shots. There is still time to get some protection before those Christmas gatherings if you get your booster today, let's say. And again, just stressing the fact that even if there are some breakthrough infections, the point is to keep the strain off of the hospitals, and that's what vaccines can do. Dave?
Okay, Alice Barr live in Washington. Thank you.